Okay. There.
The National Weather Service in Jacksonville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Flagler County in northeastern Florida until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Even better.
25 p.m.
Yup, SVR.
Located near Andalusia, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar
Bro, the
indicated.
reception.
Intact. Expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
Bless you.
Affected include Palm Coast, Flagler Beach, Grinnell,
That was unexpected. Now they're definitely going to issue a marine warning.
damage to roofs, siding.
Yeah, possibly. There it is. As soon as I speak of it.
Humidity 86%. Northeast wind at 7 miles.
There we go. Right when I speak of it. Right when I speak of it.
The National Weather Service in Jacksonville has issued a special marine warning for coastal
Thanks,
waters
Jacksonville.
from St. Augustine to Flagler Beach, Florida, about 20 nautical miles until 9.
As soon as I said it, you were reading my mind, weren't you, Jacksonville? Stop it. I'm just kidding.
Hazard, wind gusts at 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Big George's Reef. Move to safe harbor.
Only one location.
Winds and high waves are expected. Ensure your vessel is secured for severe weather if caught offshore.
Melbourne! That scared me. What did Jacksonville issue? SPS. Jeez, Melbourne! Okay, y'all have a problem.
Has issued a special marine warning for Flagler.
Okay, Melbourne, I did not mean to upset you. What the? Flagler Beach to Ormond Beach. Okay. That scared me.
34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots. Suddenly high waves, lightning and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets.
What do you expect? It's Florida.
Safe harbor if possible. Locations impacted include Flagler Beach and Ormond by the Sea. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Special weather statement.
Yes. 1050 hertz. That is rare for KIH-26. I did not know KIH-26 does that.
Eastern Daylight Time for northeastern Flagler County.
Well, you learn something new every day.
Eastern Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was located over Grinnell, moving east at 25 miles per hour.
Oh my gosh, Melbourne.
Miles per hour wind gusts and maple-sized hail. Source,
Yeah.
radar indicated. Intact. Expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings.
Yeah. So whenever they correct it, they're gonna 1050 hertz it.
Hazard, 70 miles per hour.
So yeah, that's technically an SVS, right? What is this? Another one? Okay, well you're not done. Okay. Why will you not turn on? Okay, Jacksonville, chill. Oh no.
Special marine warning. The National Weather Service in Jacksonville has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from St. Augustine to Flagler Beach, Florida, out 20 nautical miles. Waters from St. Augustine to Flagler Beach, Florida, from 20 to 60 nautical miles until 11:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:22 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located 8 nautical miles southwest of Palm Coast, moving east at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots, or greater, and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be
Wait, no, or my issue
higher
one?
winds and suddenly
Nah, they're too dumb enough to make it be a double header.
include Beverly Beach and Big George's Reef. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.
SVR.
The National Weather Service in Jacksonville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Flagler
I called
County
it.
in northeastern Florida until 11:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight
Oh,
Time.
doubleheader. Wait, what?
At 10:25 a.m. Eastern Daylight
Oh, yes,
Time,
yes, yes,
a
doubleheader.
thunderstorm was located near Bunnell, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles
Never
per hour.
mind, Melbourne's actually
Heavy-sized
smart.
hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Palm Coast, Flagler Beach, Bunnell, Beverly Beach, and Espanola. For your protection, move to
Alright, it's gonna be a doubleheader. Get ready.
Double header.
There it is.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Special marine warning.
Imagine this being a triple
National Weather
header.
Service in Melbourne has issued a special marine warning for Flagler Beach to Volusia, Brevard County, line 0 to 20 nautical miles. Flagler Beach to Volusia, Brevard County, line 20 to 60 nautical miles until noon Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:25 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located 14 nautical miles southwest of Palm Coast, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots, or greater, and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly higher waves, lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Return to safe harbor if possible. Locations impacted include Ormond by the Sea, Ormond Beach, Holly Hill, Beverly Beach, and Daytona Beach. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Locations impacted include Ormond by the Sea, Ormond Beach, Holly Hill.
What is this?
Has issued a special marine warning for waters from St. Augustine to Flagler Beach.
Why is my strobe not working?
Until noon Eastern Daylight Time.
I'm stupid, it's because I plugged it in the cloning port.
Daylight Time. A strong thunderstorm was located 45 nautical miles east of Ormond by the Sea, moving east at 50 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots, or greater, and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The strong thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters.
What is this? Finally! That sounds beautiful.
Special marine
Finally!
The National Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a special marine warning for Flagler Beach to Volusia, Brevard County, line 0 to
Marine warning!
Flagler Beach
Got
to
it.
Volusia, Brevard County, line 20 to 60 nautical miles.
About time, Melbourne.
Daylight time. At 9:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located near Port Orange, moving northeast at 35 knots. Another band of storms was from Flagler Beach to Daytona Beach inland, moving eastward at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots, or greater and small hail.
Yar210's back
radar.
once again.
Impact, expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly higher waves, lightning and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Return to safe harbor if possible. Locations impacted include Wilbur by the Sea, Harbor Oaks, Allendale, Daytona Beach, Shores, and Port Orange. Voters should seek safe harbor immediately until the storm passes. Wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Small hail, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rain are possible with this storm. The thunderstorm was located 10 miles north of Wauchula. 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fort Meade. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into a small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Numerous showers. Ruskin has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Polk County in central Florida until 6:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:48 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 13 miles northeast of Avon Park, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding. If you spot a tornado, go at once into a small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.